This is Austin, and today we're going to show you how to pause using a moon prop. Am I right, Austin? Yeah.
We try to get him to sleep in this position so that it's easier when we put them down not to startle them, because if you get them to sleep on their back and then you have to flip them over into that position, it gets really difficult.
Lots of fingers.
So underneath this moon prop we've also got a donut stuffer, so he should sink into the hole now. What do we need to move it, Kristie?
I'm going to pop him on here first, and then I'm going to arrange his bum. So I know his feet are fine underneath there. Let's see now then.
So things to keep an eye on when you're doing this is circulation in hands and feet. So you need to be able to see both and just check for purple colour. There you go. Do you need to stuff that in to bring his arm up?
Yeah, I was going to say.
So I'm going to put a stuffer underneath his elbow. And that's going to support more of his weight underneath his head. There?
Yeah, perfect.
Yep. So we just slowly bring his fingers out so that we haven't got a tight fist. And he looks more relaxed. He looks super comfy. We leave the dummy in as long as possible and take that out just at the last minute when I'm ready to shoot. So when Kristie's comfortable then with positioning, she'll move off to one side, but she always stays close, or even with hands on baby, so that baby never startles and moves off the beanbag. We're using a Godox SL303 continuous light with an SMDV Flip 44 Pro modifier, and I'm shooting on a Canon R5 with a 35mm lens. I'll take some like that, Kristie, and then we'll do fingers.
He's lifting his head quite a lot, so I'm not going to move from here.
No, that's fine. We do need dummy out though. Right, we need to turn head a little bit because I can't see Moon from that angle. I need to be here, but I can't see his face.
This way?
No, up towards me, so twisting.
This way?
Yeah, that's it. So it's all about little adjustments. If you can see that it's not right in camera, you're better off making the adjustments now and resettling than trying to fix it in post, because it just never works in post and you're going to be there for hours and be really annoyed at yourself.
I need to lift the edges of the moon like this.
No.
Okay, I'm going to bring it this way.
Yeah. I think we might need to get a foot out as well, Kristie, or a leg.
Yeah.
Because he seems to be merging into the background.
Okay. You are freezing.
Okay, over here.
Just tucking a nappy in.
Again, a nappy sticking out seems like an easy fix on Photoshop afterwards, but if you can get it right in camera first, it's so much quicker.
You need a stuffer, I think, to lift.
Okay, yes, that's going back out.
I think if we keep hands up here for a second.
pull them creases out though. That way. Oh, I lost the crease of the beanbag. Never mind.
Yeah, it's underneath.
Right, and then we need to twist head up because I'm getting his forehead again. Yep. That's it. Can you push this down again? There, it needs to be pushed down, yeah. That's perfect.
Is it too much squishy cheek? Do you need a bit of cheek out?
No.
Oh, beautiful. Still under that total ovary.
No, you're not going to. I think you need to twist his body instead and put a leg over the,
Okay.
like a knee over.
Keep hand here for a second.
I know, but
I really need you to put pressure here though, just so that he doesn't move the top off.
There we go, that's it. Need to stuff it under his bum now, don't you? You can't use the moon under there like that because
Okay.
you're going to lose the shape of it.
I've got it.
Is that enough?
Yeah, we're good.
He needs to bring his elbow up again. Hands on a sec. That's a jib. Ready?
Right, press on that and I'm going to do fingers.
Yeah, fingers. I would like a fist, please.
Can you see that little foot poke out now? I need to bring it back up again.
You can just about see the toes. There you go, got it.
So that's how we pose using a moon prop. Hope you've enjoyed, guys. See you again soon.